Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a wolf cut hair on Dress to Impress. So press E and go to the feminine hairstyle first. We are going to layer this first. I'm just going to color it black. You can color it whatever color you want. And we're also going to use this one. I'm just going to color it black and red. Then we're going to go to the masculine section. We're going to add this hair and I'm going to just color it black. Then I'm going to also add this hair. I'm going to color it black and red. Then for the final piece, we're going to select this one and we're going to color it again black and red, or you can use any two colors that you'd like. And that is how you can create a wolf haircut on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!